We're in the basement of a exclusive motel in city of Sydney, and we've got the planks timber flooring guys up on level 2 doing a maintenance coat using the universal maintenance oil on a herringbone floor that was done around about 3 years ago. Now this is going to be really interesting because they've had around about 3,000 people walk across this floor, and so what I'm here for is just to have a look at the actual condition of the floor, and just to also go through a little bit of a tutorial on how they're doing it. So come with me, and what we'll do is we'll go and see how these guys are doing. Right, so this has had around about 3,000 people walk across it in about 3 years. This was sanded about 3 years ago. I love it because there's not a mark on it. It's awesome. Okay, so here's the planks boys, and they're using the brown universal maintenance oil, and edges. There you go, that looks awesome, that looks magnificent. One of the things too is lead management. Keeping the lead off the ground, making sure that his feet aren't tangled up, and keeping it nice and tight as they're walking backwards. Now what he'll do in a minute, as soon as he's finished buffing that off, he'll then change. Now see how he just a sprinkle. I better give him a hand. I'm quite amazed. This is 3-year-old floor. Okay, so that's a maintenance coat. That's how it's all done. I hope you got something from that. But I'm just going to look back over my shoulder. That's the end result. It's important that you apply it with the red pad. You apply it with the red pad,
Red or white?
red, and then take it off with the white pad. Where is the white pad? There's a white pad here somewhere. There it is. And then buffing off with a cloth. So pretty straightforward. It's not really difficult, but the end result is spectacular.